Hey everybody, Mr. On Demand here, man with master plan. We're going to talk a little bit about the Amazon Fire TV Stick and why I think it's a bad device and why I think you should purchase something else if you're in the market for a new device. If you already own one and you're using it, go ahead and use it. But let's make no mistake, let's go over a couple of facts about Amazon. For one, they took their Amazon Prime service and now they're pushing ads to you on a paid service. You can pay more money to get that service without ads, but you're still going to get ads on the Fire Stick because the Fire Stick has ads anyway. On top of all of that, Alexa listens to you all the time. So you've got a device listening to you that's going to also try to push you ads on what your conversations have been at as well. And I've seen this firsthand myself. It's absolutely scary. On top of all of that, there are tons of other options out there that do way more than the Fire Stick. The Fire Stick is not that upgradable. You've got it on sale for 40% off right now, but it retails at $50. But even at $30, I mean, for $10 more, to $20 more, you can buy something phenomenally better. There's lots of other options out there. You want any kind of Google TV or Android TV device will probably be better than the Fire Stick. One of the things the Fire Stick has problems with is upgradability and expandability. There is no Ethernet port on it. There is no USB port for you to plug in extra storage. So the upgradability factor is a big issue. Let's also talk about the fact that when you go ahead and you get these devices, you have to have an Amazon account when you set the device up initially. So that's another issue as well. Most of us have a Google account that will be required for Google and Android TV devices, but not always. At the end of the day, there's a lot of options out there for you, like I said, that are much better. We've gone through the listening of the Amazon Fire TV Stick. We've gone through the upgradability, that it's not that upgradable. We've gone through the fact that if you have a Prime account, you're still getting ads for a standard Prime account, so you pay them. Amazon's still going to push ads to you. The other thing would be you can change the launcher on Android and Google boxes much easier than you can the Fire TV Stick. So changing a launcher, what that does is it doesn't just change the look and the whole feel of the device, but what it actually does is it actually gets rid of a lot of the pesky ads that are coming up on the device. So there, if you're interested in some other launchers that can do that for you on the Android and Google TV boxes, definitely subscribe to the channel. You're going to get to see some great stuff there. If you want to know more about some device options that are other devices that are really good for you, subscribe as well. If you also want to know more about that, just go ahead and check out my Telegram group. All of it's free. I'm not making no money off any of the things that I'm telling you about. I just want you guys to get the best product for your money. And Amazon, the Fire TV sticks are not it. They're not upgradable. They listen to you. They push a bunch of crappy ads to you. And there is also the fact that Amazon's doing a big push to get rid of side loading. They've made it more and more difficult, but a lot of the products are running a new operating system that's coming out from Amazon, like the Echo Show and others, that for the automotive products that are not running the regular Android-based operating system. The plan is to probably switch over to that. They also took away their app store off as well. They got rid of that. So they're downgrading the capabilities going forward on some of their tablets, moving that into a new operating system. Eventually, the Fire TV sticks and the Fire TV devices will be another device where they go to their new operating system that will be closed, and you will not be able to sideload anything. And eventually, there will be no more support for these devices. If you have one, go ahead and use it, like I said. But if you don't and you're planning on buying a new product, you should buy something else. Definitely, 100%. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, let me know down below. If you think I'm completely wrong about the Fire Stick, let me know. What am I wrong about? What did I say that was incorrect? I'm curious to hear from you, any of you Firestick fans out there. Let me know what you think, and I'm happy to have a conversation. Just keep it civil. We don't need to use any derogatory terms. That's all. I'll see you in the next video. You guys have a great day.